Hello, my name is Daniel and welcome to another car project on this channel. Before we start, subscribe and like this video. In this way I will know you want to see more videos like this. In this video it's about a Bmw E34 525i restoration tuning project. Before was like in factory was a normal BMW, but then owner changed everything on this car and made from this old BMW a car that turns heads today. Change suspension, change interior parts, change engine parts, change rims, change color. It's another car. Congratulations.
You'll see all the change through the video. I hope you will see nice ideas and you will inspire from this project.
The clouds, a light emerges from beneath the sand. The distant miracles seem so far away. Across this universe, she lives another day. I know the reason she's here. I know the reason she's so far away. I know the reason she's here. I know the reason she's so far away.
Remember, all these videos on this channel are made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me.
From everything we have done, it only takes us one more step. We go home. I know the reason she's here. We go home. I know the reason she's so far away. We go home. I know the reason she's here. We go home. I know the reason she's
Leave in comment section below what car do you want to see in next video. I will try to make that video. After you done that, make sure to subscribe and turn notification on. In this way you don't miss when I upload your requested car. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on to see more videos like this. I'll be happy to know if these videos inspire you for your car project. Bye bye and see you next time.